Welcome guys to the Crazy Hands Knitting and Crocheting channel. In this video tutorial I want to show you this beautiful diamond stitch. Looks like diamond, really easy. You will need to know only knit and purl stitches, that how the wrong side is looking and the right side is really perfect for cardigans, hats and knit blankets. So if you want to learn how to knit the stitch, let's do it together. For this stitch I'm going to use 4mm knitting needles and medium worsted weight yarn. Cast on any number multiple of 4 plus 2 selvage stitches. I'm going to cast on now 14 stitches. So let's start. The first row, let's call it row number 0. We are not going to count it, we're just going to purl all stitches, slip the first stitch and purl all other stitches till the end, just to be on the right side after all. So we don't count this row and we are not going to repeat it. Just purl all stitches. And purl the last selvage stitch. We are going always purl it. Turn and row number 1, slip the first stitch. Now bring the working yarn in front and slip next 3 stitches to the right hand needle and then knit 1. Please do not pull the yarn. Knit 1. And let's repeat. Bring the working yarn in front, slip next 3 stitches, knit 1. And again, bring the working yarn in front and slip next 3 stitches, knit 1 and purl the last selvage stitch. And that's what we have. Row number 2 and all even rows we are going just to purl. Slip the first stitch and purl all stitches. And purl the last selvage stitch. Turn. Row number 3 will be the same as row number 1. Slip the first stitch. Now bring the working yarn in front and slip next 3 stitches to the right hand needle, then knit 1. And again, slip next 3 stitches, holding working yarn in front, knit 1. Slip next 3 stitches, knit 1 and purl the last selvage stitch. Turn. Row number 4 will be the same as I said as row number 2. Slip the first stitch and purl all stitches till the end. Perfect. Row number 5. Slip the first stitch Now knit 1, so you see 3 knit stitches. So first you always knit, then in the middle one, so you insert the needle underneath these 2 bars that we were doing before, knit the next stitch and pull the yarn also through these 2 bars like this, and drop the stitch of the needle. And now knit the next stitch, and this one also knit, so knit 2, and that's what we are going to repeat now. Knit 1, so the central stitch, insert your needle underneath 2 bars, knit the next stitch and pull the yarn also underneath 2 bars and drop it off the needle and knit 2. And let's repeat the last time in my case. First knit, then the central stitch, knit together with 2 bars and knit 2 and purl the last selvage stitch. Turn, and row number 6 will be the same as row number 2. Purl all stitches. Turn. Row number 7, slip the first stitch, then knit 2, bring the working yarn in front and slip next 3 stitches to the right hand needle. 1, 2, 3. Then knit 1. And let's repeat. Bring the working yarn in front, slip next 3 stitches, knit 1. So you go on repeating slip 3, knit 1, slip 3, knit 1, and at the end you will have only 2 stitches. So bring the working yarn in front and slip only 2 stitches and purl the last selvage stitch. Row number 8, purl all stitches. Row number 9 will be the same as row number 7. Slip the first stitch, knit 2, bring the working yarn in front, knit, slip the next 3 stitches, knit 1, then again bring the working yarn in front, slip next 3 stitches, knit 1. Go on repeating, and at the end when you have 2 stitches, bring the working yarn in front, slip them and purl the last selvage stitch. Turn. Row number 10 will be the same. Purl all stitches. The same as row number 8. Row number 11. slip the first stitch, knit 2. Now again you see next 3 stitches, knit stitches, knit the first one, then insert the needle underneath 2 bars, knit the next stitch together with these 2 bars, and drop the stitch of the needle, and knit 2. 1, 2. And let's repeat. Knit 1, then knit the next stitch together with bars, drop it, and knit 2. And go on repeating until you have 2 stitches, and at the end knit 1 and knit this stitch together with bars as we did. Drop and purl the last selvage stitch. And the last row, row number 12, purl all stitches. Slip the first stitch, selvage, and purl all stitches. After that, start repeating everything from the first row. And please do not count the very first row that we called row number 0. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial with me. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Also leave comments. I'm always happy to answer you. Have a good day. Bye.